Okay, we're starting the day off hot. 101 degrees. You can definitely tell we're in the mountains now because my ears are starting to pop. Okay, today's gonna be a little bit more about logistics. Oh, what the? This is the diesel pump. All right, Great Clips has an hour wait. Let's get to work. All right, not a great order, but you know, we got time to kill and it looks like someone's been waiting on their food for a little bit, so let's get their food to them. It's been an hour when we're back at Great Clips. Time to get a haircut. All right, well that's just annoying. Said the wait time was an hour, so I put my name in, wait an hour, come back, and there's still another like 30, they still want me to wait like another 30 minutes. Like, no, it's not gonna happen.
Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing, little guy? You hungry?
Hope you guys don't mind me taking a few hours off to myself. Sometimes just need to step back and then jump back into it. Here we go. Okay, I have thoroughly explored all of the terrain driving modes on the spaceship, and I can say without a doubt my favorite is flat ground normal driving mode. Okay, today was a bit of a long one. Most of the distances here in West Virginia are vertical, so if it says it's a mile away from you, it's a mile uphill. Bit of a short day today. I'm gonna call it there. Made a little bit of money. Lots of long orders, like really long distance orders. A lot of chunky orders. Not bad, good tippers. Just a little bit of time in between orders, so